Good morning. This is Monday, April 27th, 2020. And today's topic is, what business are we in? And the answer to that is we're in the marketing business. You know, if you've followed me at all, or if you've been to any of my trainings or read anything I've ever put out, what I learned early on when I was getting started in real estate is this very important fact that we're not in the real estate business. If we're real estate entrepreneurs, we are not in the real estate business. Rather, we are in the marketing business, just like any entrepreneur is. If our phone's not ringing, we don't have a business, we have a hobby. And in real estate, it's a very simple business model. We're always marketing for two things: deals and dollars. Deals and dollars. And what that means is, one hand, I got to market to find deal flow. I need to find motivated sellers. On the other hand, I market to find dollars. Dollars means buyers, or dollars means investors for the deal flow I'm creating. And this model applies no matter what niche of real estate you're in. Apartments, single family, notes, pre-foreclosures, foreclosures. It's always the same model. We've got to have deal flow, we've got to have dollars, and then we match make. And that is the business. And as a business model, 2/3 of our time, 2/3, needs to be devoted to those activities. So right now they've announced, a lot of states are announcing that they're starting to open up back up again, which is great news. And what that means is, if you're in real estate now, or you're considering getting involved in real estate now, then what do you start with first? Do you start with deals first, or you start finding the dollars first? And I get this question a lot. A lot of people think, if I just had that investor, if I just had a buyer lined up, boy, I'd be in great shape. Well, the answer is the opposite. The first thing we got to do is deal flow. It always comes down to this. Deal flow is what is mostly required. We've been talking for the last few weeks about cash reserves. That part's easy. What you've got to focus on is deal flow. So step number one is deal flow. So no matter where you are in your real estate business right now, considering entering, or you're active right now, if you want more cash flow, this always comes down to this: do more marketing. Do more marketing. Create that deal flow. All right, if we can help you with that, let us know. But that's what everyone should be focused on right now: deal flow. And load them up. The deals are going to be presenting themselves more and more and more as we come out of COVID and start feeling the after effects. Have a great day, great week, everyone.